What's going on, my YouTube family? It's Chris here. Chris's RC Getaway. I need a haircut. Anyways, this is probably going to be the last session with the Outcast. The way it is, the body is very, very tore up. And so I've got a new body on the way, new tires, new tie rods, steering rods, all that stuff. I even got the all red anodized aluminum, what are them, pillow balls. So that'll be pretty cool. So I might video it and do like a fast forward through it or whatever. Maybe if you guys want to see it, the transformation. Oh, it is so nice out. The sun is just blazing. Anyways, guys, I've got the ramp set up. I'm at my favorite spot. I got 4S in it, and I am gonna send her, guys. Send her to the moon. Here we go. Bam! Sorry about the wind, guys. There's that beast. I've got a 20-tooth pinion in there, guys. I know, it's big. That's all I have. I've also got that ordered. I got a bunch of pinion gears coming. I think it's from 16T all the way up to a 20T, I think. Got a package deal. All right, so there's the ramp, guys. And I've got a good distance to cover this time because I just want to send her. Woo! Man, this thing is... All right, let me get a good, find a good spot here. Oh man, that's sick. Nice. I think I got 2 flips out of that. And it don't matter if the tires blow off or anything, because I got new ones on the way, guys. I can't wait. Oh, nasty, bro. That was sick. I friggin' landed it, guys. Woohoo! I love doing that tail scrape too. That is so freaking epic. I gotta give a massive shout out, guys, to all of you guys and gals and everybody that's been subscribing to my channel. I never thought in a million years. I mean, I think I'm at 700 and it's 700 and it's in the teens. And it's just amazing, really. I'm always getting positive feedback, positive comments. And as much as it helps you guys, honestly, it helps me. It makes me feel great that people really do enjoy watching my videos. Because I know they're nothing special, really. I'm just out having a good time. Woo, look at that cartwheel. And she stays on her wheels. Oh man, that was a bad hit. That was a bad hit. Let's hope I didn't break it. That shock's good. That one seems okay. That one's good, I think. Holy cow, guys. It's still alive. That's so awesome. Come on, old girl. Oh, geez. I tried to snag her. And she's still alive. Come on, there we go. Nice. I nailed that one. Oh man. Woo! A little bit of a nose digger there. Get more speed. Ha! I should have ordered a new wing too, but that's all right. The body I ordered comes with all new talons and body clips, which I need anyways, and it comes with a whole new roll bars and all that stuff. So I'm gonna drywall tape and shoe glue the new one. That's what I should have done to this one. Oh man. Oh man. I didn't want to get in the throttle at all that time. Oh man. Oh. Woo! Come get you some. Nice. Oh man. Poor truck. Nice. If you have good controlled driving, somewhat anyways. Oh my goodness. Woo! Oh snap! That was awesome. That was so sick. I think I caught all that. Oh. What happened here? Uh-oh. I got no drive. Let's see what's going on. A little mini clip. Ha! Oh no! Well, that's alright. I got new ones coming. Jeez. Well, after you use WD-40 so many times, guys, what's going on here? It's warm, but I'm holding my finger right on there. Yeah, I think it's on, I think it's overheating. So we're gonna let it cool down, guys, and then we'll finish off the pack. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. I'm just gonna leave the body off it for right now. That'll help it stay cooled off a bit. I think I got some people watching. I brought the ramp a little bit closer. Sweet. Pulled her through. Everything's an animal. Oh. Ah. Nice. Landed that little double. Yeah, I'm not gonna rip it full throttle back and forth. Nice. It's nice to get a crazy, like a triple flip every now and again, but I I just couldn't break these things any more than I already do. Just for views, you know what I mean? I mean, don't get me wrong, I love it, but I enjoy this. That's why I do it. I want to be able to keep doing it. Woo! Holy frig! Nice. Doesn't even slam down really that bad at all. Oh, I did that time though. Yeah, that servo is weak. I'm surprised it's lasted as long as it did, really. With as, you know, as big as I go on the jumping, but it's just what I like to do, you know. So I love doing it up here. It's perfect. You got this down slope. There's a couple pits around here, guys, but they're just nothing but boulders. Like literally, there's not really even any sand. It's crazy. And then the one that there is, you guys seen the sign, there's no trespassing. So I didn't go back. Woo! Holy frig. Come on, baby. There we go. Oh, snap. Heavy. Oh, snap. Did not want to land right there. Haha, that's so sick. I love this truck. I can't wait to get my gears, guys, for the X-Max. I don't know what's going on with that. It's so frustrating. I know I had the motor locked in right. I literally ordered hardened steel gears. It's a hardened steel spur. So then I put the second friggin' pinion gear on there, which was I think it was a 2246. Yeah, I think that's what it was. And it literally did the same thing. So my motor, it has to be my motor's no good, guys. There must be somewhere inside of it, there's got to be a couple broken wires or something, because as soon as you turn it on, it goes through its beeps, but it snaps on the gears so hard that it literally snapped the teeth right off the pinion gears. I never even got to drive the truck. You want to talk about frustrating? Holy cow. Oh no, I think I see my ESC floating around. Yes, sir, I do. That ain't good. We can't have that. All right, guys, we're gonna call it good right there. Anyways, nothing wrong with that. That was a good rip session. I don't mind breaking little things, but I do not want to destroy my ESC. I'm sure everybody understands. They're not cheap, and I don't have any extras. So I hope you guys like that rip session. I thought I sent it pretty big. I'll be coming with lots more as soon as I get my parts. We're gonna rebuild this old girl. It's gonna be epic, guys. The X-Max should be good once I get my new spur, new pinion, new motor. It might be a couple weeks, but should be good to go after that. This is Chris's RC Getaway, guys. Like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. We'll see you on the next rip session. Later.